I got Intex pool that has a couple of pinholes in it. So I got this stuff and I'm gonna try it out to see if it works for it. So the first thing I'm gonna do is open it up. I'm gonna just grab a knife real quick and cut off a little slice, and then I'll show you what we have going on at the pool. All right, so you can see there's my major pinhole here. So I've got this little cut and I'm just gonna knead this stuff. I probably should be wearing gloves, but you just wanna make sure that you knead it for a good while and get the color consistent all the way through. So I'm gonna do this, and it'll start getting warm in a minute as the two parts start to react. All right, so not the most beautiful, but right now it looks like it stopped the leak, and I'll come back and check it tomorrow and see if it's still stopped or if it's leaking again.